Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the new Sync Appearance with your computer feature on the Discord app for PC. If you want Discord's look to automatically match your system's light or dark mode, this update is for you. Let's get started and make your Discord experience even smoother. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you're running the latest version so you have access to all the newest features. Next, look down at the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. Once you're in the user settings, look for the section labeled Appearance in the left sidebar. Click on Appearance. This is where you can customize how Discord looks and feels on your screen. Now, here's where the new update comes in handy. You'll see an option called Theme. Under this section, you'll notice a new choice, Sync with Computer. Select this option. By choosing Sync with Computer, Discord will automatically match its theme to whatever appearance setting your computer is using. So if your PC switches to dark mode at night or light mode during the day, Discord will follow along without you having to change it manually. That's it! You've now enabled the Sync Appearance feature on Discord. From now on, your Discord app will always stay in sync with your computer's appearance settings, giving you a seamless and consistent look across all your apps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly synced Discord experience.